Henry got an average of 82 on his first 3 tests. If he has one more test to take, yung pang-apat, to change his average and he wants to raise his average to 85, what should he get on his last test? 94 ang dapat na grade niya sa ika-4 na test. Right? So, nagets ba? Again, kulang ng 3, kulang ng 3, kulang ng 3 para maging 85. Then, yung 4th test niya ay dapat hindi na bababa sa 85 plus yung kulang na 3 sa bawat test ng 3 naunang test. Kaya, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9 plus 85 is 94. So, 94 is yung results na dapat sa ika-4 niyang test. Right? Nagets ba?